An update now to a story out of Wyandotte we've been following for months. Parents and residents have been upset over that 5G cell phone tower atop Washington Elementary School.
As the school year comes to a close, those parents who filed a lawsuit over the issue are celebrating a small victory. Our Terrell Bailey reports from Washington Elementary School in Wyandotte.
After weeks of school board and city council meetings, parents in opposition of the 5G antenna sitting atop of Washington Elementary School say they've got a small win.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how T-Mobile responds to the lawsuit, but we are prepared to move very quickly.
Wyandotte parents taking their frustrations to Wayne County Circuit Court. 3 parents are suing the school district, city, Board of Education, T-Mobile, former superintendent, along with a list of current and former city officials.
You know, unfortunately, we had to go down this path. I was hoping that we would be able to avoid this.
One is Lisa Beck. Beck says she has double the concern. She has a child with cystic fibrosis that attends Washington. She also is a staff member there.
He sits less than 100 feet from that tower, and we already fight to keep him alive. And I can't imagine somebody turning this tower on and risking his life yet again.
In the over 100-page filing, parents allege that the school board did not provide sufficient information on the antenna when it was first proposed to the district back in 2017.
But we didn't know. As a staff, as a parent, as a community member, we had no idea until the truck showed up.
The legality of the antenna on the property is also up for question. The lawsuit alleges that the antenna was falsely placed on the property.
City ordinance says that cell towers need to be located in industrial zones or in city-owned property, which the school is neither.
According to Castmore, the school is owned by the school district rather than the city. We reached out to the school district for comment on the pending litigation. We were sent this statement. It reads in part, Wyandotte Public Schools has a legally binding lease agreement with T-Mobile for the cell tower. The filing of a lawsuit represents a new chapter in the recent debate over the future of the tower. As with all litigation, this matter will be referred to school district legal counsel. Now, as the school year winds down, a Wayne County judge Friday put a temporary restraining order on the antenna, meaning it can't be turned on until they have a court date. Still, some parents have already started thinking ahead for the next school year.
We have a lot of parents that are still moving their children from the school.
T-Mobile has stated they do not plan to turn the antenna on until sometime after the school year ends, which is next week. Now, with the judge's temporary ruling, that cannot happen. All parties will be back in the courtroom June 12th at 10 o'clock in the morning. For now, reporting in Wayne County, I'm Terrell Bailey for CBS News, Detroit.